So what you are going to need, your book pages that are going to go into your journal. I have 3 here, 1 for each signature. And then your sewing machine, scissors, and whatever you want to add to it. You can add paper. I am going to be adding some fabric, lace, and ribbon. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to make sure I have what I want. And I really like this, so I think I might add 2 to it. So I'm gonna cut it right there. It's gonna hang off a little. That's okay. Hope everyone's doing good. I am doing good. And so I'm going to put one on one, one on the other side of the signatures. So I have this, and this is just going to go on one of them. And there's going to be leftovers, so I'll cut that afterwards. And then I have this from my mom. Look how cute that is. So I'll do 2 of these, 1 on each signature. Because they're just so fun. There we go. Don't need that one anymore. I have one for... So what I'll probably wind up doing is, here we go, because I only have one of this kind of lace, so it can go on either. So that right there is 3. And we need 6 for each one because I want to do each page, each side of the page, you know. So I have this fun. The rest of it we'll probably do with fabric. I'm going to just cut that in half. Oh no, I have some ribbon we're going to do also. That will be on one side. So fun. I have like gnome ribbon, but I don't think that will work for the night before Christmas story. But this definitely will. Look how cute that is. Okay, that can go up to the side. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, I have some more little fabrics. I thought this was really cute. And I know this is a little bit more than what we need, but I don't know, maybe I'll add more pages in to get sewn on. We'll see. Okay, this is adorable. I have to add it somehow in here, so. And how perfect is that? I might wind up making more paper clips with this. Do I need it for in here? 1. No, I have everything. Okay, this will be paper clips of some sort. Okay, so let's take you guys to the sewing machine. Okay, so I just sewed 3 of the pages and didn't realize I was not filming. Yeah, story of my life. So good thing we have 3 more. So I am going to go between 2 different stitches And this is definitely a process you want to do before you sew your signatures in. Okay, here we go. So I really like to chain stitch. There's two reasons why I do it. One, to me, it's a little faster. Two, I really like not having to hold my threads all the time. Okay, let's go back to zigzag. And so when I get the end of that and I still have more to sew, I will just clip at the last one I did, and then I'll sew the other sides. And then I go and do the last, cut off the last one. To get the last part. Okay. Let me move you guys back to the normal position. Okay, so here we have it. Some fun little decorative stitching on both sides. Some hang over, some don't. So when they actually get into said journal, which I don't have finished. Hold on, let me see if I can find my... Still trying to dry, but it will... It's not going to stick out because these papers are a little bit shallower, but when you open them up, they're going to be a really cute addition. With okay, we're just gonna a lot of little decoration to it. Oh my gosh, you guys are so crazy.